it's stupid, but it's not dangerous. But now the allegation is he's driving like that. Then grow the hell up. You're not 20 years old. Two different things in my courtroom.
Okay. Well, as for a trial date, I don't know if this court sets final pretrials.
Why do you want a final pretrial?
Trial date, I don't know if this court sets final pretrials.
Why do you want a final pretrial?
I guess.
You're not getting.
Yeah.
This guy's been in the system long enough. What kind of trial you want?
Can you get Caitlin in here just so, or?
Is that for the probation, Your Honor?
Yeah, he's got 2 files that he hasn't done a damn thing I've told him to do.
And he's told me that he's completed all of the probation requirements. However,
Then you might want to talk to, you don't want to talk in front of me. You might want to talk to probation because I'm getting ready to put him in jail for 6 months.
thank you, Your Honor.
I'll let you hold the files until you talk to probation.
2 very boring minutes later.
Mr. Stover, sir, you tell the judge your name for the record, please? Kenneth Shaw.
Thank you. Hold on just a minute. Just so you know, we told Mr. Smith we'll just give him a notice.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll let you know what the date is.
I think I
Okay.
got it right up right here from Mr. Smith.
I don't know why there's 2.
Oh, no. It's just an adjournment.
Yeah, but adjourn for discovery.
It's gonna be in person, just so you know, remember? You did a sentencing, Mr. Louder would change to,
Yeah, DeLauder's not a pretrial day.
That's fine.
Yeah, so this will be a different date.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, today's the date time set for violation of probation.
I've got 2 files. I've got a file ending in 1182, and I've got
Violation of probation is he picked up new charges. I'm not addressing the new charges because he has a retained attorney
right,
for the new charges.
and a date to come back on that file.
Right.
Right.
But he has an issue today, Your Honor. With the court issue.
So that's not the only issue today. The new charges are an allegation that they would be a violation of probation, but my indication from the probation department is that Mr. Schomer has not done anything I've told him to do. Told him to do treatment at GrowthWorks, told him to do community service, gave him work program days. Has he ever showed you any indication of treatment?
No indication or documentation of treatment, Your Honor. He did complete his 30 hours of community service, which was a sanction for appearing at the court intoxicated.
Right.
And a documentation of treatment. He did complete the order of 10 days on the work program. Again, that's a sanction. Completed 8 or 9, I believe, and on that 8th or 9th day was when he was intoxicated while on work.
Right. So he hasn't finished the work program. He showed up here, including today, at least 3 times under the influence. What was his PBT today?
Today is 0.10.
All right. Do you have, Mr. Bowditch, do you have any concerns whether or not Mr. Schomer is so intoxicated that he can't make informed decisions today?
Your Honor.
All right. So are we entering a responsible or a guilty plea to the violation or a not guilty plea?
Well, Your Honor, I said he's plead guilty. He picked up a new charge and he's intoxicated in court. That's obviously a violation. So we can plead him guilty. He said his explanation, he can afford that to Your Honor.
I'm willing to listen to anything you've got to tell me, Mr. Schomer.
No excuse.
It was last night. I had girls and friends come over. We were playing cards till like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I went to bed after that. I didn't wake up this morning to sign anything. Right? I came in here, took a shower, had my coffee, and I showed up here early.
All right.
The 10th to a case that they think I was driving. There's no proven evidence of that.
I'm not talking about that file. That's,
Okay.
you've got to,
I was here this morning.
yeah. Yeah, but you knew you were coming here. It wasn't a surprise visit.
Yeah, I didn't come in here intoxicated.
You're legally intoxicated by law, sir, don't argue. By law, you're legally intoxicated. The state of Michigan says at a .08, you are presumed to be intoxicated.
Come in here. I had a night, okay, with friends, okay. We enjoyed our moment, okay. I had a few drinks, okay. I can't.
Sir, Don't blow smoke up my ass. Listen to me. If you're at a .08 at 11 o'clock in the morning, you had more than a few drinks last night. And you had more than a few.
Say, who was counting? I mean, I'm just enjoying the moment.
I bet you'll be counting now because I'm violating on both these files and you're going to do 90 days in jail on each file. I don't understand how your head works.
Listen, I can get Uber to take.
No, I'll provide transportation for the next trip. 90 days in jail on each of these two files, and then we'll close them out unsuccessfully.
I'll look my own.
That's not my concern.
It's my job.
That's not my concern. Sir, I have given you every leeway.
I didn't do this intentionally.
You accidentally got so drunk last night that you're at a .10 at 11 a.m.
I felt,
Then grow the hell up. You're not 20 years old. The kind of behavior I'm seeing from you is what I'm used to seeing in 20-year-olds. Go to jail. Goodbye. We're done.
What do you want this way? You think we're my pets?
Are they here now?
No.
Okay, we got.
Thank you for that.
Never ceases to be baffled. You know? All right. Thank you, Mr. Bowditch.
You add on some bread.
It must. We've been talking about it. He's always the most pleasant of people, and he keeps making decisions like a young and dumb.
The only way is, he'll be sober for, 180 days.
And he'll get drunk when he gets out.
You lose control of that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, we take it.
But now, all this stuff, it's stupid, but it's not dangerous. But now the allegation is he's driving like that. Right? I mean, we can't,
Get ahead of the drive.
he's gone beyond, he's a nuisance. Right? Now he's a danger.
Thank you.
The only good news, John, ain't one of my kids.
Good point.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you, guys.
So I want to make sure we do something on that MIT. So number one, they don't try to do them concurrent.
Oh, no, I will.
And I don't know what we can put, for whatever it's worth, put in order of release.
So we are done, correct?
Yeah, we had that final hearing at 11:15.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if the individual's here.
Oh, thank you, because, I was supposed to, can,
Yeah, I almost forgot, so that's why I thought she had.
thank you.
Yeah.
All right, that'll earn you a smile from the cashier.